Have you ever wondered why a tiny creature like a spider can cause such intense fear in some people? It's a question that stumps many, but the answer lies in a common phobia known as arachnophobia. This is a specific phobia characterized by an irrational or excessive fear of spiders. Believe it or not, it is one of the most common phobias experienced around the globe. So what exactly happens when someone with arachnophobia encounters a spider? When someone with arachnophobia sees a spider, their brain and body go into overdrive. Now, let's delve into the workings of the arachnophobic mind to understand this reaction better. Fear, as a response, is orchestrated by a part of the brain called the amygdala. When an arachnophobic person sees a spider, their brain immediately flags it as a threat. This triggers the amygdala, the hub of our fear responses, to spring into action. As a result, there's an instantaneous surge of adrenaline that courses through the body, leading to a series of physical symptoms. This adrenaline rush manifests as a racing heart, as if you've just run a marathon. Sweat glands go into overdrive, making the person perspire excessively. There's also an overwhelming urge to escape, to put as much distance as possible between oneself and the perceived threat. This is the brain's way of saying, "Danger, get out of there." But the reaction doesn't stop at the brain. The body responds in kind, amplifying the fear response. The person may start shaking uncontrollably, a result of the adrenaline pumping through their system. Some might break down into tears, while others might faint outright. These are all physiological responses to the fear, the body's way of coping with the perceived threat. And all this, it's triggered by a creature that many of us would consider harmless. It's a full-blown fight or flight response to what many see as a harmless creature. Clearly, arachnophobia is more than just a dislike for spiders. It's a complex psychological condition that induces both mental and physical responses. Throughout this discussion, we've explored the intricacies of arachnophobia. We've delved into the fear response triggered in the brain, a primal reaction that harks back to our ancestors' survival instincts. We've also looked at the physical symptoms that can occur, from heart palpitations to sweaty palms, all stemming from the mind's response to perceived danger. It's fascinating to see how such a small creature can evoke such a powerful response. This fear, amplified in the minds of those with arachnophobia, shows us how the brain can transform harmless spiders into terrifying monsters. Understanding these responses not only sheds light on arachnophobia, but also offers insights into how our brains and bodies react to fear in general. So, the next time you see a little spider, remember, it's not the spider that's scary, it's our reaction to it.